that lift bridge is down. I can't get out. Oh, there goes the train. They're gonna lift it up in a sec. I'm in Morgan City. I want to tell you guys about my float plan. This is the last time I'll have internet for a while, I think. So after New Orleans, probably gonna stop and get gas here in Gulfport or Biloxi. Then, I don't know, I might sail out to Ship Island. Then I'm going to cross over here through the Mississippi Sound, all the way over to here. That's considered the ICW. This chart picks up pretty much where that one leaves off, crossing Mobile Bay right here. I can take the inside or the outside. Be through Pensacola. I take the outside here around St. Joseph Bay. Skip these shoals. Take the cut into Apalachicola. Go up Scipio Creek. Refuel at Scipio Creek Marina. Sail out of here. Anchor off Dog Island. Maybe get some more gas up in Carabel. Then from Carabel, I'm going to sail across this sound here. I think it's about 100 miles. Last time, I sailed straight from St. Petersburg all the way to Apalachicola, and that's 200 miles. I fell asleep at the tiller right about here, and I woke up way up here and dropped anchor. So this time we're going to take it easier. We're just going to go half the distance. I'm going to sail to Horseshoe Point or Cedar Keys and then hug the coast on the outside all the way to Tampa Bay. I'll go into the Municipal Marina in St. Petersburg, rest for a little bit, and then I'll take the outside all the way to the Keys. Oh, there goes the bridge. It's going up. It's Thanksgiving. I've been here for a couple of days now. I guess it's only been one day. Leaving tomorrow, going to Homa. So, I'll try and find the internet tonight to upload this. So now you know my float plan. It's kind of hard to get out of here. Look what I gotta do to get out of here. This is high tide. I gotta step on this rope, and I gotta reach over here and put my foot in this stirrup to get up to this dock. Yeah, there's Morgan City. There's an Art Deco ghost town through that blast door, or whatever they call it. Levee? Lock? It's a levee. Yeah. This whole city is just covered in levees. Over there's Berwick. They got the same deal. It's a weird protected city. Alright. See you guys in